Here, we'll do one more here as we walk in. So we're facing the door. We got a closet. We got a hockey stick. We got a kitchen on the left. Oh, no, that's a bedroom. Sorry, my bad. We're new here. There's Nora, taking a bath. Nora, hi, sweetheart. Yeah, force a smile. Hello, hi. Hi, girl. Hi, sweetheart. Here's one bedroom, and that's full of boxes and such. Here, we'll just do it this way so it's not too jarring. Enjoy your seasickness. And I saw this earlier, and so over here on the right, you'll see two of the saddest words in the English language. No signal until Tuesday, but eventually we'll get there. Kitchen. Nora's play area again. Over here, that couch has been defeated. She's already taken it down in a matter of 1 year. There we go. That's the box area, also serving as the entire apartment. And that is the rest of things. There's your obstructed view, like Boston Garden, which is mostly obstructed view. And then what we didn't see in the first one, and I wanted to show for, I don't know why, the dining room table. Looks like this. Well, and we'll show off the corner deal. All right. I hope you guys are sufficiently bored by this whole thing, and thank you for watching.